At the heart of every interaction lies the potential for conflict, a natural occurrence as inevitable as the changing seasons, especially in professional environments where diverse ideas and personalities converge. Conflict stems from discrepancies in opinions, goals, or values, and when recognized early, can serve as a crucial moment for growth and innovation. However, if left unchecked, it quickly escalates into misunderstanding and resentment, adversely affecting team dynamics and productivity. As we explore common causes of conflict, like miscommunication, competing interests, and differing perspectives, we also acknowledge initial reactions such as frustration and avoidance. These instinctual responses often worsen the situation. Moving forward, you'll discover that mastering conflict resolution isn't just about settling disputes, but fostering an environment where every challenge becomes an opportunity for improvement and mutual understanding. This journey offers invaluable lessons in cultivating harmonious relationships and driving collective success. Navigating the turbulent waters of conflict with a desire to resolve disputes requires understanding, empathy, and cooperation. At the heart of conflict resolution lies our ability to actively listen, communicate effectively, and appreciate diverse perspectives. Active listening entails full attention, withholding judgment, and responding to ensure the speaker feels heard. This not only facilitates clear communication, but also fosters trust and respect. Empathy, the bridge to understanding others, allows us to view the world from their perspective, acknowledging feelings and creating a space for solutions to emerge from mutual understanding. Problem solving and finding common ground. The outcomes of effective listening and empathy involve identifying shared objectives, overcoming ego, and collaboratively finding solutions for mutual benefit. This dynamic process transforms conflict into an opportunity for growth. By applying these strategies, we enhance our ability to resolve conflicts and fortify our relationships. As we progress, remember the significance of active listening, empathy, and collaboration. These principles not only aid in conflict resolution, but foster a more understanding, cohesive, and compassionate world. The upcoming segment will detail the tangible benefits these strategies bring to both our personal and professional lives. The true value of effective conflict resolution is realized through its myriad benefits, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. Notice the newfound harmony in relationships and the undeniable efficiency in teamwork when conflicts are approached with understanding. Embracing diverse ideas with respect and openness leads to unity in diversity, allowing creativity and productivity to thrive. This environment nurtures innovation, where every contribution is valued. Moreover, adept conflict resolution acts as a catalyst for personal and professional growth, turning conflicts into platforms for learning and evolving. Each resolved conflict enhances your wisdom, resilience, empathy, and understanding, thereby enriching your professional skill set and preparing you for leadership roles. In sum, by embedding these strategies in our daily interactions, we foster a peaceful and progressive environment, unlocking our full potential and steering ourselves, our teams, and our organizations towards success. See conflicts not as obstacles, but as bridges to extraordinary outcomes.